Eating less, moving more, but the weight won't budge? Your hormones might be the real reason. Hey everyone! Today we're breaking down the key hormones that silently control fat storage, hunger, and metabolism. Insulin controls fat storage. Constant sugar and refined carbs keep insulin high, making fat loss harder. On-screen text: high insulin equals fat locked in. Cortisol is the stress hormone. Chronic stress tells your body to store fat for survival. On-screen text: stress equals belly fat. Leptin tells you when you're full. Dieting too hard can break this signal. On-screen text: leptin resistance equals never satisfied. Ghrelin triggers hunger. Poor sleep makes you feel hungry all day. On-screen text: less sleep equals more ghrelin. Hormones respond to habits, not extremes. You don't fight hormones with starvation. On-screen text: you balance them with consistency. If this opened your eyes, like and subscribe to FlipFit Yourself for more science-backed fat loss strategies. Comment hormones and I'll send you a free hormone balancing fat loss checklist. Balance the hormones and fat loss gets easier. See you in the next one. Flex Biceps Fire.